Let's be honest. Building and running a business can be stressful. What shouldn't be stressful, however, is how you collect and track your payments. With the M-Pesa business or merchant app, you can now collect payments from your customers, track all these payments, and pay other merchants. Here are 4 features and benefits that we should know about. Number 1, your money is available immediately. Yes! And number 2, you can pay other merchants for goods and services using the merchant feature. Number 3, you can withdraw money from M-Pesa agents. And did I mention number 4, the low maintenance costs? If you are interested, go to your nearest Vodacom shop, register as a merchant, and download the M-Pesa business app. Boom! Let's change the way we transact and collect payments with the M-Pesa business app. Signing out. Boom!